Hi everyone, Russ here, service technician at AMLI Arc, and today's maintenance tip is about changing the light bulb in your ceiling fan. First things first, you want to make sure that your light switch is off. You can do so by looking over on your switch, make sure that both settings are on 0, one for the light, one for the fan. Then what you want to do is you want to go up to the globe, and you should be able to turn it to the left. If you happen to try to turn it and it's not turning and it's too difficult to actually come loose, please don't try to force it. These do have a tendency to break. We don't want anyone to cut their hand or anything like that as well. So if that is the case, then you will have to wait for us to come. But in case that it is not like that, you simply turn it to the left all the way and it will come down. And then you can change the light bulb. So simply unscrew the current light bulb, and with the new light bulb, you'll want to make sure that you use a glove. The oils from your fingers will actually lower the life expectancy of the bulb, plus it could very well be hot if you happen to have the light switch on, but we recommend doing the light switch when it's off. So simply screw in the light bulb. Make sure it's nice and snug, don't over tighten it. And then simply put the globe back up. On the globe, you'll notice that there are grooves, 3 grooves, and they actually match up with little dimples that are on the fan themselves. So you want to make sure those are lined up, which the globe will then become flush completely. Once it's flush, you turn to the right, and you just want to go until you feel it snug. You don't want to over tighten it or anything, due to the fact that when you're tightening, they can break too as well. And in the future, they could be very difficult to get off. And then from there, you'll want to go and test to make sure that the light bulb actually works. So turn on the light switch, and there you are.